Hi guys, welcome to SkillWorks. Today we will be learning how to use VLOOKUP function in MS Excel. If your data is organized in vertical columns, you can use VLOOKUP function to look up a value using the data in the first column of the table. Let's understand this with an example. Say we need to look up the price of the product based on the product code. So we will enter the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP basically has four parameters. First is the value through which we want to look up. In this case, it is product code 257. The second parameter is the data range from which we want to look up the value. In this case, we will select the whole table. The third parameter is the column number from which we need the results. In this case, we need price of the product, which is in the third column of the table. So we will type 3. The fourth parameter is 0 or 1. 0 here stands for exact match and 1 stands for approximate match. Unless specifically needed, always use 0. And we run the command with an enter. So 7. So this is how we use VLOOKUP function. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to SkillWorks.